Okay, so today we'll be talking about simulations, how to conduct a simulation. A simulation is useful only if it closely mirrors real-world outcomes. The steps required to produce useful simulation are presented below. Okay, so first one. Describe the possible outcomes. Could be example 1, example 2, or outcome number 3. Whichever one. Link each outcome to one or more random numbers. For example, if you're trying to find what's the percentage of probability of a player making a free throw, you would assign those outcomes being either make or miss to a 0 or 1, or 0 and a 9, or a 3 and a 7, whichever two random numbers you want. Usually you want to stay within the 0 to 1 range. Okay, choose a source of random numbers. In other words, create a list of random numbers. Okay. In other words, your 0 and 1. Okay. Choose a random number, and based upon the random number, note the simulated outcome. So in other words, 0 represents a miss, 1 represents a make. Repeat steps 4 and 5 multiple times, preferably until the outcome shows a stable pattern. Okay, so that's huge right there. Okay. Analyze the simulated outcomes and reported results. Okay, note when it comes to choosing a source of random numbers, in other words, in step 3 above, choosing a source, you have many options. Flipping a coin and rolling dice are low-tech but effective. A table of random numbers, often found in the appendices of statistics texts, are another option, and good random number generators can be found on the internet. Okay. Alright, and so when you're producing or conducting your simulation, you actually just work with it, and you're creating your own experiment, but you're using it with random numbers, and you're randomly choosing what's actually happening. Okay, alright, so that's it for how to conduct a simulation. Just remember, assign the variables to each outcome, and then randomly choose the random number to note what the actual simulated outcome is, and just repeat it until you have an actual pattern. Okay. Alright, and that's it for how to conduct a simulation. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.